The Corvette ZR1X represents true American supercar power. Welcome to the stunning Chevrolet Corvette ZR1X in its famous electric blue color, showcased inside this luxury showroom. The Chevrolet Corvette ZR1X instantly grabs attention with its bold electric blue design. The aggressive front design gives the Corvette ZR1X a powerful supercar presence. Sharp LED headlights make the Corvette ZR1X look futuristic and bold. The sculpted hood improves airflow and engine cooling. The low and wide stance gives the Corvette ZR1X an aggressive racing look.
Performance wheels enhance grip and handling. Large performance brakes provide strong stopping power.
The rear design highlights the aggressive nature of the ZR1X.
The quad exhaust system delivers a thrilling performance sound.
Inside sits a powerful engine built for extreme performance.
This engine produces incredible horsepower.
The Corvette ZR1X delivers breathtaking acceleration.
The advanced transmission ensures smooth and rapid gear shifts.
The aerodynamic design improves speed and stability. The Chevrolet Corvette ZR1X represents powerful American engineering and innovation.
The strong yet lightweight body improves performance and efficiency.
Large air intakes help cool the high-performance engine.
The Corvette ZR1X is designed for pure speed and performance.
This supercar reflects the legendary Corvette performance spirit.
Inside, the Corvette ZR1X offers a modern, driver-focused cockpit. The digital display shows real-time performance information. The infotainment system provides advanced connectivity and controls. The interior materials create a luxurious driving environment.
Sports seats keep the driver stable during high-speed driving.
The steering wheel delivers precise control and comfort. The cockpit is built for an immersive driving experience. The center console provides quick access to controls. Advanced safety technology improves driver confidence. Ambient lighting enhances the premium cabin feel. The electric blue color highlights the bold design. Sharp body lines improve aerodynamics. The rear spoiler improves stability at high speeds. The suspension system enhances road control. Performance wheels support aggressive driving. The ZR1X delivers thrilling driving performance. This machine represents modern automotive engineering. The Corvette remains a global sports car legend. The ZR1X pushes performance to new limits. This car is built for true speed enthusiasts. The Chevrolet Corvette ZR1X stands proudly among the world's elite supercars. The electric blue Corvette ZR1X instantly captures attention inside this luxury showroom. The electric blue paint glows beautifully under showroom lighting. Every detail of the Corvette ZR1X reflects precise engineering.
The Corvette ZR1X promises an unforgettable driving experience.
This supercar perfectly combines luxury and performance. The Corvette ZR1X represents true American supercar power. The ZR1X proudly continues the legendary Corvette heritage. The Corvette ZR1X is built to dominate modern performance. The Chevrolet Corvette ZR1X truly defines power, design, and innovation.